Hello everybody, and in this video we're going to be looking at what an argument is. And to be honest with you, much of this class is learning how to make an argument from history. But what is an argument? Many people think an argument is an angry back and forth where people yell to get their point across, but in history it's something very different. An argument is a way to support a claim about the past with evidence. You might be proving how something caused something else, or why something changed, or the way in which some things were similar or different. The important thing is that you use what you learned in class as evidence to make a case for something historical. For example, you learned in the first lesson how several things caused China to have a huge increase in their economy. To make an argument about what caused this, you will first need to think, to brainstorm and remember what you learned about China. You might remember silk, porcelain, or the Grand Canal. If you think about what all these things have in common, you'll realize that the government had something to do with all of them, and now we're getting close to a claim. If the task or question you were asked was, explain the reasons for China's growth between 1200 and 1450, a claim might be, one reason for this incredible increase in China's wealth between 1200 and 1450 was the actions of the government, which encouraged economic development. That claim would be the first thing in your argument at the top of a paragraph. You're setting out right away what you're going to prove. Next, think about your evidence. We mentioned silk, porcelain, and the Grand Canal. The next step is to name each of these and explain exactly how each of them are linked back to the song Government. Your first use of evidence might look like this. Silk was one of the most important luxury goods from China, and it helped bring in enormous amounts of money to China. Notice we dropped the evidence, silk. Next, we need to explain how the government was related to this. We might write, silk production was so important to China's economy that the government managed it and kept it a state secret. Do you see how we related China's wealth to silk and then on to the role of government? We could continue. Another luxury good that raised China's economy was porcelain. The government helped mine the white clay used for this and kept the detailed instructions on how to make it a secret. Again, we linked evidence directly to the argument we're making. We could do the same thing with the Grand Canal. China's government also helped expand the Grand Canal. This helped increase the population by getting food to the big cities. With more people, there were more laborers and production went up. China's economy flourished. And there you have it, an argument without yelling. And we used 3 pieces of evidence from class to support our claim that the growth of China's economy between 1200 and 1450 was caused by the government, which encouraged economic development. A complete argument. Now it's your turn.